Welcome to Car Rides, your go-to destination for the most detailed and latest updates on defense technology, futuristic vehicles, and military-grade machines. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the KH-35U missile truck 1000 km variant for the year 2026, a mobile launch system that continues to raise the bar for tactical warfare and precision strike capabilities. The KH-35U missile truck has been engineered as part of modern mobile defense strategy, providing enhanced flexibility and rapid deployment. This 2026 model integrates advancements in both missile technology and vehicle dynamics, making it one of the most efficient mobile cruise missile systems in its category. Designed for anti-ship warfare, the KH-35U can also target ground-based installations when integrated with the appropriate targeting systems, giving it multi-role functionality. The missile itself is a refined version of the original KH-35, featuring a range of up to 1,000 kilometers in its latest configuration. This extended range is a result of upgraded propulsion units and optimized fuel usage, allowing for extended operational capabilities in remote and contested environments. The warhead is high-explosive fragmentation type, capable of neutralizing medium-sized naval vessels and critical infrastructure. The guidance system includes active radar homing combined with inertial navigation, providing high strike accuracy even in electronic warfare conditions. Mounted on a high-mobility tactical truck chassis, the KH-35U missile truck features a rugged suspension and all-terrain wheel configuration designed to perform across deserts, mountains, and uneven rural roads. The launch platform is capable of quick setup and launch, enabling rapid strike operations and minimal exposure to enemy counterattacks. The cabin is armored and includes integrated command systems, satellite communication, and electronic warfare resistance for seamless battlefield communication. One of the key features of the 2026 KH-35U variant is its modular launcher system, which allows the truck to carry multiple missiles and configure them according to mission demands. It can operate independently or as part of a larger mobile battery, making it adaptable for both solo and networked operations. Its reduced radar cross-section and thermal signature enhance its survivability on the modern battlefield. What sets this missile truck apart is its ability to be deployed in littoral zones and coastal defense setups while maintaining inland operational capability. Its low-flying sea-skimming trajectory allows the missile to avoid radar detection, and with a 1,000 km range, it can strike far-off threats before they approach national borders. If you're passionate about defense innovation, strategic weapon systems, and game-changing military tech, this video is packed with insights you don't want to miss. Subscribe to Car Rides for more exclusive updates, in-depth reviews, and high-quality content on next-gen warfare platforms and cutting-edge military vehicles.